Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is completely dedicated to for those consumers whose phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password locked, and they have tried a lots of method to their smartphone to unlock, but they are not successful to unlock your smartphone. So be with us at the end of this video. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, and the main thing is that your phone's all the data will be saved as it is as in your smartphone, and this is the latest method developed by all the Android companies. Okay, you can see here I have two others smartphones, and the one is of a Poco smartphone and second one is a Motorola, and this one is of a Vivo smartphone. Okay, and it will work on all the brand. Okay, if you are using any Android smartphone, you can use this method. So let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode, and for this, firstly you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card, okay, to switch your phone on offline mode. And after this, you will have to, you can see here, this is phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. After this, simply you will have to click on this emergency call option, and you will have to close all the background running application which were running where your phone was not locked. And for this, there are some secret codes to close all the background running application, because before starting this method, your phone's all the background running application should be closed. And this secret code is star hash 952345 star 000 and then hash. After printing this number, you will have to call on this number, okay, and when you will call on this number, this number will be disappear from your call logs. It means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Okay, it will show you such type of pop-up. Simply ignore this with the OK button. Okay, now the second step is you will have to activate your phone's offline unlocking mode. Okay, and this code will generate a offline unlocking method in background of your smartphone. Sorry, and this code is star hash 812 and hash. After feeding this number, you will have to again call on this number, and there are two numbers for updates your on your phone to offline unlocking mode, and the second number is star hash 813 and hash. These two numbers will confirm your phones to the master unlocking mode page. Okay, and again you will have to call on this code, and when you will call on this code, you will get a such type of pop-up. Again you will have to ignore this with the OK button. Okay, now after this, you will have to switch off your phones. Okay, and for switch off, simply you will have to press your power off button, and you will get a pop-up of power off. Simply you will have to power off your smartphone like this. Now you can see here this one is getting power off. Now you will have to wait some time until this display is completely off, and when it will completely off your smartphone, you will have to press your phone's power button and volume down button to convert it on offline mode method. Okay, so simply you will have to press this power button and volume down button. So I'm going to press here, you can see with me both the buttons same time. You will have to press and hold until you get a logo. When you will get this logo, wait for a blank and again power up button. Okay, now you can see here a fast boot option is appeared on this phone display. After this, simply you will have to go with this recovery mode option. Simply you will have to click here. Sorry, it won't let you click on the display. Simply you will have to use this volume up button and down button to go to the options. Simply you will have to go to the down volume button. You will reach to recovery mode option, and to click this recovery mode option, you will have to press this power button, and when you will press here, the option is coming. Wait for some time. It will take some time, so you will have to wait here. Okay, now you can see here there are three type of option is showing here. The first option is install software, the second option is clear data, and the third option is check system. Now you will have to go with the option of a clear data option. Simply you will have to click here, and here you can click on the display. You don't have to use this power button or volume up and down button. Now you will get two type of option here. You can see here the second option is showing here clear cache, and the first option is showing here clear cache, and the second option is showing here clear all data. Clear all data means you will lose all the smartphones, all the data of your smartphone, so you don't have to go with this option, and it will not let you go with this option because it will ask you for the pattern lock or password lock. If you have forgot, it won't let you go. Okay, so simply you will have to choose this clear cache. Okay, when you will click here, it will show you a pop-up only clear and cache. This type of pop-up you will get, phone setting and data will be unaffected. Okay, simply you will have to click on this OK button. Now you can see here this is completely cleared. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the return button, okay, and go with the back button. Now you can see here there is an option of a shutdown and restart. Okay, but you will have to shut down this smartphone, don't restart this phone. Okay, but if you restart this phone, it means it won't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock. So simply you will have to shut down this smartphone and wait for complete shutdown. After that you will have to start your smartphone. Okay, it's getting switch off. You will have to wait here. Okay, and you will have to follow the every step properly, otherwise you will have to watch this method again. So to save your time, watch this video properly step by step, otherwise you will have to waste your time again on this video. Okay, so this one is completely switched off. Now simply you will have to switch on this smartphone with the help of power button. Okay, it will take some time because you know after shutdown a phone takes time to restart. Okay, so don't skip this video because the last step what I'm going to give you is most important to unlock your smartphone. Now you can see here it's again asking here your pattern lock, but all the step has been completed and a security code has been generated to unlock your smartphone. So simply you will have to firstly you will have to draw some wrong password here until you get a option of forgot password option. Okay, like this. You will have to continue, draw here wrong password. Now you can see here you will get an option of a forgot. Simply you will have to click on this forgot option, and now I am going to give you two type of secret code, or it's also known as unlocking USSD code. Okay, you will have to feed this unlocking USSD code, and this USSD code generally changed every 15 days. After every 15 days, okay, our service center changed this security code, and today's what I am going to give you security code you will have to feed here, and this security code is star, just a minute, star and has 812 and has, and the second one is star has 81 and 3 and has, and then go with this verification option. Now you can see here all the password and pattern lock has been completely removed. Now simply you will have to go with this swipe option, and you can see here this phone is completely unlocked. Now your phone is locked with the help of swipe option. Simply you will have to swipe here. You can see here this phone is completely unlocked, and if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this method, then like this video, and if you could not unlock your smartphone, then make us comment where you have stuck in this method. Our team will quick response on your comments. Thank you so much.